Empower your professional practice with ArtsCare's innovative education and training services, transforming healthcare through creativity. We partner with Queen's University to offer the Arts and Health module, a pioneering programme that immerses medical students in the transformative power of arts within healthcare. This unique 3-week course provides hands-on experience, showing students firsthand the positive impact of integrating arts into medical practice. Beyond the university module, we provide bespoke training for healthcare professionals. Whether it's dance, music or visual arts, our workshops are designed to enhance care and enrich the healthcare journey. Our training equips staff with the confidence to lead creative health activities, transforming everyday care with artistic innovation and empathy. From ward-based activities to group settings, our programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of service users, promoting better health outcomes and well-being. Join us at ArtsCare, enhance your professional skills and make a lasting impact on health and well-being through the arts. ArtsCare, leading innovation in health and well-being through the arts. Learn more today